Back at our homestay, Mark is showing the local family the drone. The little boy is especially interested and loves to see the live video of the surrounding area and his home from high in the sky. Today's first stop is the canopy tour. We get a chance to climb over 30 meters up into the trees and view the rainforest from a totally different perspective.
Heading across this canopy, a little bit weebly and wobbly. Keep my eyes forward. You okay, Michael?
Yeah.
Sure? This is a little tedious. We're making it. It does kind of rock and roll a little bit, doesn't it? Oh, moly.
I don't like this. I don't like only having one hand. I'm trying, honey. Honey. I'm trying to get my best side. I don't like having just one hand.
After the canopy tour, we head up into the trees one more time, climbing a birdwatching tower. We want to try to spot some very rare, raucous birds.
Right now we're up here in this tree house. It's called the tree tower. It's not actually in a tree, it's on like a huge metal stand. And it's 40 meters up. And it's made for bird watching, but you can still look at all the butterflies and everything that's outside, and it's kind of scary when you look down.
And you are a typical 11-year-old boy, and you decided with your sister that you needed to do what?
Spit over the side and watch it fall down.
So yeah, spit over the side. And did it get all the way down to the bottom?
Yeah.
All the way down there. What did you just do?
It was raining outside. I just took a pee.
Out that hole right there. You just saw a hole.
Took a leak.
Something in the male psyche sees a hole sticking out of a treehouse and decides that pee needs to go out of it.
Yeah, good.
Perfect. Hope nobody was standing down there. Birds.
Soon we start to hear a very strange bird call echoing through the jungle. Listen closely for these unique calls, rarely heard in these treetops.
Cuckoo cow! Cuckoo cow cow cow! Cow cow! squeak. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Nothing.
After our great fun in the canopy, we head back to the homestay to let the kids in on a little secret we've been keeping.
Okay. You guys, I hope you guys have been having fun out here in the jungles of the jungle. Been having a good time too, Amy?
Yeah.
A little bit. What was your highlight so far?
The canopy walk.
The canopy walk. Michael, what was your highlight so far?
Yeah, the canopy walk.
Canopy walk as well?
And the railing.
And the railing?
Yeah,
What
the
railing?
There's a wooden walkway, and then there's a wooden railing, and there's like centipedes, crickets, everything.
Everything? Lots of stuff?
Tons
It's
of
like
stuff.
the super highway of
Yeah.
Insects, and there's like
And weird
crazy
stuff like hammerhead slugs and stuff.
Okay. Well, we have a confession to make, Mom and Dad do, and that's actually, we said we would be here for
3 nights.
3 nights, or not. We had you guys pack up for a reason. We're leaving. I'm actually
Leaving.
not joking.
What do you mean?
We're packing up. We're leaving. That's why we packed our bags.
We're leaving today?
We are leaving here today.
To go where?
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
Back to the boat?
So we.
Why? You want to go back to the boat?
I just missed the boat.
You missed the boat?
We thought it might be neat experience to be able to live with the family here. That's why we did the homestay. Live along the river. And we also thought it might be fun to have one night of luxury. So we're going to stay
At the Marriott.
Yes!
for one night.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we are leaving for the Marriott. You happy?
Yes.
Okay. Be fun? All right. Let's go to Marriott. Good place here. We liked it. It's been great here.
Homestay's been great.
We really like it. Had a lot of fun. We're looking forward to some
Luxury.
luxury at the Marriott.
The Marriott. So Marriott Mulu. And if you look across through here, you can see the umbrellas to the pool. It's a very nice pool. And actually, a frisbee got stuck up in the hole up there. Very sad. The last place that we stayed, it was okay. The breakfasts, whatever, weren't so good. Not really, but as a surprise, Dad and Mom said we could stay at Marriott. So, this is comparing the old room to this room. It's insane.
Hello. Welcome to the sweet suite.
So in here we have a really luscious chair, a table, and another luscious chair, and another one, and a bed, and a TV.
That's where I slept on the bed. Michael slept on the couch.
And there's a nice modern table, nice paintings, and then over here, another table.
Prepare to have your mind blown.
Mind blown, okay.
This is Mom and Dad's room. They kind of get the best room. And then this is the bathroom.
Yeah, it's very nice. There's another TV, and here's the bathroom.
And there's a really pretty stone pebbles.
There's lots of nice stuff, and as you can see, there is this mirror here. Hello. That you can turn on the light and put it around. It's very nice. And we just got back from the pool, and right when we got back from the pool, I had to take a shower, and now we're leaving for lunch and leaving this great place. Sniff, sniff.
The 3 days at Mulu National Park flew by, and it's sadly time for us to head back to field trip again to get ready for our next adventure, sailing to Brunei. We've learned about the rainforest and seen many amazing animals. This excursion has been a very educational experience for all of us.